Watch. First off, Mike Fern at the wall with the latest from Japan. Mike.
Well, I guess the story is the same across Asia, has Linda. Financial stocks in Japan rising on hopes that the industry will report stronger earnings, starting with Goldman Sachs later today. Looking at the big three banks, Mitsubishi UFJ 3.4% higher. We've got Mizuho up 4.7%, Sumitomo Mitsui gaining 5.4%. Now, SMBC Friend Security says that Japanese banks will have a V-shaped recovery this year. It says that's because they have an oligopoly here in Japan. They control the market, the big three. Exporters also rising, the yen weakening against the dollar and the euro. Sony makes half of its sales in the US and Europe. Among the consumer electronics makers, it is leading the pack, up by 5.1%. Among the automakers, Nissan is leading the gains. The Nikkei newspaper says it's going to raise production capacity in China by 20% and Honda by 67%. Nissan shares currently up 7.1%, lesser gains from Toyota and Honda. The Nikkei also says rising demand from China for construction equipment helped Komatsu return to profit in the first quarter from the previous quarter. The Nikkei's forecast still 94% lower than the previous year. However, it does say that the demand that fell more than forecast in Japan, the US and Europe was partially offset by gains in emerging markets such as China, also by cost cuts. Komatsu is the world's biggest maker, second biggest, sorry, of construction equipment. It's up 5.9%. Its closest rival, Hitachi Construction here in Japan, up by 4.8%. Japan's largest electronics retailer, Yamada Denki, rising after Morgan Stanley lifted its target price 34% to 7,800 yen. Still got a ways to go at 5,430 at the moment. Now, the government is offering people in Japan credits to buy energy-efficient appliances, and Morgan Stanley says that's going to lift demand here more than the market has forecast so far. Haslinda, back over to you.
Mike, thanks.